Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're planning to grab a Hostinger plan in 2026, stop right there. Do not hit that buy button until you watch this video, because I'm going to show you the absolute easiest way to lock in an exclusive discount and keep extra cash in your pocket. How to get the discount claiming this deal is incredibly simple. Just head down to the description below and click the first link. That link takes you straight to the official Hostinger site with the special promo already baked right in. The best part? You don't have to waste time hunting down sketchy coupon codes or typing anything in manually. The link does all the heavy lifting for you. Choosing your plan. Once you're on the site, just pick the hosting plan that matches your project. Whether you're launching a personal blog, a business website, an online store, or a professional portfolio, just select your plan and head to checkout. Right before you pay, you'll see the discounted price applied automatically to all eligible plans. It's literally free savings with zero extra effort. If you do use the link in the description, I may earn a small affiliate commission at absolutely no extra cost to you. It's a great way to support the channel so I can keep making these deal roundups and tutorials. So thank you so much if you use it. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.